Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on what's happening out here. This is a piece of land adjacent to the Unico Hotel in Lilliput, Montego Bay. This development that we're looking at, which is beside the Unico, is houses for hotel workers. They're going to build 1,000 houses. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. In recent years, Jamaica has witnessed a construction and tourism boom, particularly in the parish of St. James, where global hospitality brands are reshaping the region's coastline and economy. Among the standout developments is the Unico Hotel Montego Bay, a luxury, adult-only all-inclusive resort currently under construction in Lilliput. However, what sets this project apart from others is not just the scale of the hotel, but the groundbreaking social initiative that comes with it, the development of a 1,000-unit housing project for hotel workers located adjacent to the resort. The housing project, spearheaded by RCD Hotels, developers of both Unico and the future Hard Rock Hotel in the same corridor, represents a transformative approach to resort development. Traditionally, many hospitality workers in Jamaica have faced long commutes, high rent, or limited access to safe, modern housing near their workplace. RCD's initiative aims to change that. By building 1,000 modern housing units right beside the Unico Resort, RCD is offering its employees a chance to live close to where they work. This proximity reduces transportation stress, improves work-life balance, and enhances staff functionality and performance. Located in the fast-developing Lilliput area of Montego Bay, this housing development forms part of a broader plan to make the community a tourism and residential hub. The site is adjacent to the Unico Resort, meaning it shares a boundary or sits within very close walking distance. The integration of housing and hospitality infrastructure is rare in Jamaica's tourism model and is now being looked at as a national example for future projects. The project also sits near the location of the upcoming Hard Rock Hotel, the Pinnacle high-rise towers in Redding, and the Moon Palace Mega Resort, creating a corridor that is expected to generate over 4,000 rooms and thousands of jobs in the coming years. The Jamaican government has strongly supported the housing initiative, with Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett both praising RCD for leading by example. The project is being developed in partnership with the Housing Agency of Jamaica and represents a public-private collaboration focused on social upliftment. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So there was a lot of discussion as to what was happening here. Alright guys, so this is the 1,000-room housing development for the 1,000-unit housing project for hotel workers. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.